two ways to set a picture in the Photos library as a background wallpaper for lock screen and home screen on the iPhone 16 series. Now let's first swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. And the first method is to go into settings. So here I will go into settings, and in settings I will go back to the main settings page. Next, we scroll down and then tap on wallpaper. Then tap on add new wallpaper. At the top here, tap on photos. Then in your photos library, scroll down and select a photo. Then tap on add. And here we'll choose to set as wallpaper pair. Then I will go and customize on the home screen, and I will turn off blurred. Next, tap on done. And then swipe up to return back to the home screen. So this is the first method. Now another way to do it is to go into your photos library, and in photos library you can select a picture. So you can scroll down in your library and select a picture. Now I don't have a lot of pictures to choose from. So here I will open up this painting. I will zoom in. So I'm going to tap on the share button. Then we scroll down and tap on use as wallpaper. And from here you can zoom in or zoom out to set it as your background. Then you can also swipe across to select a color style. So here we can have it black or white. Duotone color wash. I like this kind of color wash style. Here you can also tap on the color selector and we can select a different color. So here we can have a different color overlay. So say maybe orange or blue. Okay, so blue, cyan. And then we tap on add. And again in here we will set as wallpaper pair. Okay, so that's done, but you can see here the background is blurred. So what you can do is you can go into settings and we can customize it. So swipe across until you see say current, then tap on customize and then turn off blur, and then tap on done and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. So that is the second method. So here if I go to my lock screen, it will be the same as my home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.